Hi Year 6, so today we're going to be looking at this term diagonals of convex. So the first thing we're going to discuss is what does that term diagonals of convex actually mean? The diagonal of convex are the diagonal lines that can be created within a shape between the different vertices. So here, on this shape here, it's a square. The first one we're going to start with. So when we're creating a diagonal of convex, the first thing that we need to do is that we need to name each of the corners. So I'm going to call this one A, this one B, this one C, and this one D. So what I need to do is I need to try and find different ways that I can connect the different corners of this shape by going on the inside. So the first one I'm going to start is I'm going to start at A here. Now A is already connected to B by that line there. So I'm going to have a look and see here. A can be connected to C by going diagonally across there. That is one diagonal of convex within that shape. A is also connected to D down there, so it's already got a connection there. The next shape I'm going to move to is I'm going to go to B over here. Now I can see B is already connected to A by that connection there, by that line, and B is also connected to C by the edge there. So the only other diagonal of convex that I've got there goes across to D. C connected to A, C is also connected to B and D. D is connected to C, and A is connected to D. So in that shape, I've got two diagonals of convex. I'm going to go down here and do another example with a pentagon. Now, I'm going to name them again. I'm going to go A, B, C, D, then I'm going to have E over here. So I'm going to start at A. A is connected to B, and it's also connected to E by the lines there, and they connect to those different vertices. So I'm going to connect A down to C. I'm also going to connect A to D down there. So then A is connected to A, B is connected to C, it's connected to D, it's connected to E. So next one I'm going to go to is I'm going to go to B. B is connected to A, and it's connected to C. So the next two that I need to go across to, connected to E, I'm going to connect B to D as well. C here is connected to B, and it's also connected to D. So I also need to connect it to A, which is already done by when we connected the A and the C before. The next one I need to connect is the C to the E over there. D is connected to C and E, it's also connected to B, it's also connected to A. E is connected to A and D, and it's also connected to B, and it's also connected to C. So within this shape, I've got 5 diagonals of convex. Now, a shape like a triangle, I'm going to name it A, B, and C. Now, I'm wondering to myself, how many diagonals of convex does this shape have? A is connected to B and A is also connected to C. I can't connect C to B. This shape actually has 0 diagonals of convex. And the reason is because A is connected to the other 2 edges there. I'm going to explain the task that you're going to need to do. On a Google Classroom, there's going to be a Google Doc called Diagonals of Convex. What you will need to do is you'll need to go through and have a look at all the different shapes. You will need to create all the different diagonals of convex that you can think of for all these different shapes. After you've done that, what I would like for you to do is to try and create some of your own shapes. So you might choose to maybe make some regular or irregular shapes and draw all the different diagonals of convex that those shapes have got. Hope this helps.